So it is our humble request to all the influencers and also the showroom people that please stop this practice.
Hello and welcome back to today's podcast. It is about a very important topic that I have been researching over the last couple of weeks, Vikas bhai. So what I've noticed is that a lot of motorcycle reviews on the internet, that is on YouTube, uh, I was seeing that the speedometer was not moving at all. So do you think something is fishy, or there's something that is hidden behind it? There's something wrong with
See,
that thing?
unfortunately, there's a very unethical, terrible, and a criminal practice which has been going on in the motorcycle industry for a very long time. These days, we got to know about it because many so-called motorcycle influencers have been going to showrooms and doing their so-called review on the showroom motorcycles. And because of their cameras, we figured out that the speedometer is not running. So the thing is, this
Right.
used to happen even 20 years ago. Okay. If
Okay.
I walked into a showroom to get a test ride of any motorcycle, they would simply remove the cable, the speedometer cable from the front wheel. It used to be connected to the front wheel those days. And they used to say, please ride the
Correct.
motorcycle. Now, I used to finish the test ride 2-3 kilometers, 4 kilometers, and then give it back to the showroom. And if I didn't buy a motorcycle from there, they would simply sell that motorcycle to someone else. So at that point, she is a
Right.
second-hand motorcycle. She is not a new motorcycle. What is the meaning of new? Which no one has
Something with it out of
absolutely,
the
which is
factory.
brand new. I mean, it should not be ridden by someone else, especially for test riding. Correct. I mean, the
Absolutely
name
true.
test ride
So
is like,
my
you're testing it.
yeah.
So now,
So yeah, Vikas bhai.
yeah.
Another thing, my good friend 7K RPM, he sent me some screenshots that I'll send you on your WhatsApp directly. So there is a lot of these, reviews, not just one particular person. There's a lot of people, from the showrooms, they are getting this kind of motorcycle. So it's not just an issue with a particular city. It's all over India. It's happening.
So basically, today we live in a world where a lot of people are desperate to go to showrooms and review motorcycles and get some followers. Fine, it is good for you, but you have to do it in an ethical manner. Okay. So here it is a two-sided
Right.
mistake. It's a two-sided ethical issue where these so-called influencers are going to showrooms and saying, hey, this new motorcycle is here. I want a test ride. Now, showroom people, to increase their sales, what they are doing, they are giving a motorcycle which is actually kept there for sale. It's a brand new motorcycle which is kept there where I or you can simply go walk in, pay cash and buy. Okay. But the showrooms are simply taking out one of the fuse which is connected to the speedometer. All right. In every motorcycle, there'll be a different kind of a fuse. In some motorcycles, if you take out the ABS fuse, the speedometer will not display the speed. It will not, the odometer will not turn. So the showroom people know which fuse to take out, and they'll take out that fuse and then give that brand new motorcycle to this influencer to make videos. So that influencer will simply go ride hard, full throttle, full RPM, this, that, come back, give the motorcycle back to the showroom. Influencer will go upload a video. So here, that same motorcycle will be
Right.
sold to someone, an innocent gentleman who worked very hard for many years to save money to buy a brand new motorcycle. And he'll be buying a second-hand motorcycle at that point of time. Now, here, it is not only about ethics, it is also about technicality. Now, a brand new motorcycle, there is something called a running in period. Okay, you have to respect the motorcycle's engine before first 1,000 kilometers or so. I mean, you should always respect the motorcycle's engine, but for the first 1,000 kilometers or so, you should not cross certain RPM. And also, at any given point of time, the motorcycle's engine during a cold start, it should be warmed up. But When this brand new motorcycle is given to the influencer is in a hurry to go make a video. He or she will not warm up the engine uh, and not take it to an operational temperature, and then he will not care about the running in period. He will open full throttle. So there is also a technical damage which is happening inside the engine, and these damages will not show up for the first 5 or 10,000 kilometers, but later on they will show up, internal damages, so
Right.
the person who's buying is getting completely cheated, thinking that he's buying a brand new motorcycle, but whereas the motorcycle's engine was abused to some level. Now here we don't know to how many people the showroom is giving like this. It is probably 10, 15 people are coming, riding these motorcycles.
Exactly,
So
Vikas bhai.
uh,
And not just riding it, I have seen them,
yeah.
redlining it. Like literally, it's a brand new motorcycle. You're not supposed to redline, or you have to keep, below 4-5 thousand RPM. Um, but unfortunately, you're seeing all these newly launched motorcycles with a top speed run videos. So this is
So it
disastrous
So
for a
it is
new
our
customer.
humble request to all the influencers and also the showroom people that please stop this practice. See, the showroom owners have enough money. Okay, if they didn't have enough money, they wouldn't start
Correct.
showroom. It takes crores of rupees to set up a showroom, a dealership in a metro city. So if you can spend crores of rupees, then why not spend a couple of lakhs more and buy a demo motorcycle? See, the thing is that
Right.
companies most of the time don't give a demo motorcycle to the showroom. The showroom has to pay money and buy the demo motorcycle from the
Paid.
company.
Right.
Probably they get it at a discount. So what
Correct.
these companies, what these dealerships do is they avoid spending that 2-3 lakh rupees, and they simply give the customers, a
Customers.
motorcycle which is supposed to be sold to a customer, that motorcycle as a test ride motorcycle. So we request dealerships to
Right.
please buy a demo motorcycle and then give it to as many influencers as you want to give it to as many test rides as you want to give. And later on, you anyway sell the demo motorcycle after 2 years or so, right? So you will get at least 50% money back from that. And plus, you are generating sales. So it is not a loss for you to invest in a demo motorcycle. Please understand that. And also, it is a warning that if this trend continues, we will go ahead, take the name of every influencer, we will take the name of every dealership, and we will expose them with the rights that we have in the constitution. Okay.
Right.
So, because we
Absolutely,
keep
Vikas
saying
bhai.
this, we are here for the biking community, the real true biking community who work hard and save money to buy a motorcycle. We don't want our biking brothers to get cheated. Now, recently, I did a campaign, official ad for Yamaha R15. So someone asked me, hey, Vikas bhai, is this a showroom motorcycle or what is it? So I clearly told them that I had a discussion with Yamaha, and I told Yamaha that I will only be riding and making a video on an official demo bike. So the company
Correct.
people personally, they sent a demo bike to me to make a Yamaha R15 official video. So
So that is the thing. Uh, I mean, if you know any such influencers
yeah,
who's doing this, and even after seeing that speedometer is not
screenshot,
running,
send
they
it to
should
us.
understand
Yeah.
that.
Hmm.
Correct. I have a lot of screenshots because my friend sent it to me. So I'll send it to you on WhatsApp, and we will see after this video
Yeah.
if something comes up, we will start exposing these
So,
showrooms and
buddies,
people.
forward
So
this video. This is a YouTube video. We'll also put a short video on Instagram. So,
right,
forward this video to as many influencers as possible. Forward it to as many showroom managers, owners as possible. So, it's a humble request and also a meaningful warning that if this is not stopped, we will expose you all. So,
correct, and most importantly, like those influencers, most of these influencers, they will not be able to tell you if that is the correct motorcycle for you just by
yeah,
riding like 5 to 6
true.
kilometers or 10
Yes.
kilometers. They are not a like
Yeah.
technical expert, or how it handles. They have no way to measure it just by
Yeah.
mounting a GoPro. So please test ride your motorcycle, go for a test ride, take a test ride for yourself, and then
Correct.
decide. So that's all
Thank
from
you.
today. That's all from my end. If you have any other questions, feel free
Take
to
care.
ask
Do
us.
comment. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Right.
And Joe and I, we are on Instagram. Do follow us there.